So hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you how to update your FaceTime on your iPhone. So we all know that FaceTime is the messenger or the Skype of your iPhones. So here we'll have to update it to get the best and newest features for your iOS devices in your messages. So basically all you have to do is go to your settings, we'll hit general, software update, and then from there basically all you have to do is actually update to the latest type of iOS. So here we're gonna have our iOS right here updated already to 17.3, which is the latest. So if you also want to do your 17.4, which is a pre-built of our newest 17.4 update, you can do that. So but it's unstable, I don't recommend to do so in your primary devices, but you can update it right here if you wanted to. So there you go guys, that is how you update your FaceTime on your iPhone to get the best in messaging in your iOS devices. See you again next time, and like and subscribe.